Welcome to Line Binary Options. In this video, I would like to show you how to use Hirose Financial UK's original indicators to trade binary options. At Hirose UK, we currently offer 3 trading indicators for the MT4 platform, which will help you to trade much more successful. These indicators are T-Channel, New Move, and the Hirose Binary Forecast. These tools have all different functions and are already really good trading indicators on their own. However, when you know how to read the market and learn how to combine this range of these tools, trading will become really easy. I would like to explain these tools with a few trading examples, so please take a look at the following MT4 chart. As you can see, in this chart we have already set up the 3 indicators. In the first trade, I would like to explain to you the use of the T-Channel indicator, as well as the importance of support and resistance lines. In the second trade, I will explain to you the use of New Move, as well as the Hirose Binary Forecast. The T-Channel indicator are the 2 parallel green lines above and below the candlesticks, plus the dotted line in the middle. You can see, thanks to these 3 lines pointing downwards, we are currently in a downtrend. The lower line of T-Channel acts also as a support line and the upper line as a resistance line. When trading binary options in the MT4, it is really helpful to know about the use of resistance and support lines. Please take a look at the following image. When the market is near the support line, it is likely to turn back from that point and go up again. When the market is near the resistance line, it is likely to go down again. Let's switch again to the live chart. In the live chart, we can see the same movements. At the support line, the market moved back up. And now we can see that the market has moved up against the upper green line, the resistance line, which means that it is likely that the market will go down again from this point. As the market is also overall in a downtrend, we decide to use this chance and place a $100 load trade. To do that, we switch into the Line Binary Options web platform and place the trade. We have now placed the load trade. We could now continue to watch the trade and wait for the expiry time. However, in this moment, the Hirose Binary Forecast built-in alarm appears. The built-in alarm of the Hirose Binary Forecast tells you when a good trading opportunity has arisen. In this case, it tells us to watch the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair. So we decide to open the chart and take a look at it in the MT4. The market appears to be an uptrend, as shown by the T-Channel lines. This uptrend can be confirmed by the New Move indicator. The New Move indicator is a line that moves through the candlesticks and changes its color from red when the market is moving down to green when the market is moving up, and is really helpful when you want to confirm the current trend of the market. You might have already noticed the yellow arrow that appeared below the current candle. This arrow belongs to the Hirose Binary Forecast. It doesn't only show us an alarm when a trading opportunity has appeared, no, it also appears below in yellow for a high option and above the candlesticks in red for a low option to indicate that it's a good time to buy the option. In this case, the Hirose Binary Forecast appeared as a yellow arrow below the candle, which means it's telling us to buy a high option. So we decide to prepare the trade. So we switch to the binary platform and select the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair. We now enter the trading amount we would like to trade. Before we place the trade though, we check the MT4 chart again to see if there are any changes. A new candle is opened and the Hirose Binary Forecast is still indicating high, so we decide to place our trade now. We will fast forward this part a bit. Our first option expired and our trade was correct. Our investment plus profit was credited to our balance. Let's wait for the expiry of the second option as well. Our second prediction was correct as well and received a total profit of $140, which is 2 trades. As you can see, it is really simple to read the indicators and place the trades accordingly. However, at this point I would like to point out that while the tools we offer at Hirose UK are superior and proven to be reliable, they at most only an indication on where the market will be going and can't be 100% correct. Which is why you should avoid trading when the market situation is not clear. In the next trade, I would like to show you 2 things you should not do when trading. As always, we first take a look at the trading chart, and the market appears to be in uptrend. The Hirose Binary Forecast shows us a high arrow, so it seems that a good time to place the trade has come. However, when we take a closer look, we can see that the price is near resistance line. The market is in uptrend, which is why the market could continue to go up. However, there is a possibility of the price bouncing back and falling down again. So it is a bit uncertain in which direction the market will actually go, so you should avoid placing a trade in these situations. Anyway, we will not place a high trade and see how the price will develop. Also, we do know something you should not do when trading. We increase the trading amount from $100 to $200. The trade itself is relatively uncertain, so increasing the trading amount at this point is a bad trading decision. You should not do when trading. We place a trade, so let's skip forward to the expiry time. Unfortunately, our trade is incorrect this time. In binary options, you will have to accept that you cannot win all trades. It is possible to win most of the time and have a high winning ratio. However, because we increased our trading amount, we also lost our profit from the first 2 trades. Which is why I would like you to keep the following things in mind when you trade binary options. You should always invest a regular amount when you trade. A sudden change in the amount you trade can result in a big loss, so please be careful. When you trade, pay attention to resistance and support lines, as they can change the direction the market is going. High, low. When you are not sure which trade you should place because the market situation is not clear, you should avoid placing a trade and wait for better market situation. Further, it is important to set and follow your own trading rules. You have to think about it yourself, about what kind of rules you want to create, and best, write them down so you don't forget the rules you set yourself. Everyone makes mistakes when trading. The important thing is only on how you deal with these mistakes. When you analyze your mistakes and see what you could have done better, you will learn from these mistakes and your trading will improve. With these things in mind, I will show you a few more trading examples so you can see how easy it is to win with these wonderful trading tools. We will keep trading the US dollar Japanese yen currency pair, as the market is still in an uptrend, which seems to be continuing for some time longer. The T-channel indicator as well as the near move indicator confirm this tendency. The Hirose Binary Forecast has appeared and is indicating to buy now a high option. We switched to the binary platform to buy a $100 high option. Let's skip forward to the expiry time. Our prediction was this time correct and we made a profit of $70. As it seems, the trend is still continuing and our indicators are all showing us that we should continue with the high trade. So we decide to use this chance to place another high trade. Let's skip forward to the expiry time. Our prediction was this time correct as well and we made another profit. We go back to the MT4 chart and it seems that a good opportunity for the US dollar currency pair has arrived. The market appears to be in a downtrend, which we can immediately see thanks to the new move indicator. The Hirose Binary Forecast is also indicating to open a low position, so we decide to use this chance and open the position in the binary options platform. We now just have to wait for expiry again. Out of 6 trades, 5 of our trades were correct, which means we achieved a winning ratio of 83%. You can see that when you follow some simple trading rules, you can even increase the winning ratio even further. You might ask yourself how to get this wonderful indicator package. All you have to do is sign up, make a $100 deposit, and you can start trading with these wonderful tools. We also have another wonderful announcement.
You can get a single trading tool instead of $70 for only $50. So apply now and for trading today. We at Hirose UK wish you a lot of success with the trades.